Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi and welcome. Consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So today, you guys, I'm going to be here with the Amazon designer dupe. My dupes are always no logos, just design inspired. So you like the functionality, the style of a bag, but really don't care too much about the maker or the brand who's designing it, what fashion house it came from. These are going to be the videos for you. Now, if you're new here, I have a whole series on these designer dupes. I have them categorized in a playlist on my channel. So if you enjoy this video and you want to see more, be sure to check out my playlist. Okay, guys, so today we're going to be doing a Bottega dupe. This is going to be for the Jodie bag. Now, I'm not sure if this is the mini or the teen version. The mini retails for $26.50. And the teen retails for, I think, $3,500. Okay, so we're just going to open up this Amazon designer dupe, which was $19.99, and we're going to see what is given, okay? So it came packaged like this, literally like this. It didn't come in a box. It didn't come inside of a box or anything, just literally in this white plastic bag. So we're going to open it up and we're going to see if what we ordered is what we got. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, this looks better than what the pictures was kind of giving. I was a little nervous about the stitching on this bag. I thought that the edges of this, like that woven look, was like white or like kind of showed like thread type colors, but it is literally solid black, and that's what you want with this bag. So here's how she looks. I'm gonna open her up. I am praying that the inside is lined. If the inside is lined, stop watching this video and go in the description box and buy it. Because I hate the interior of these bags when they be cloth. Like, they have like the whole look on the outside, but the interior be cloth. Oh, it's so cheap. I just do not like that. So let's see. It's lined. It's lined. Y'all, this bag is a hit. This is a hit. This bag is a hit. Now let's let this focus back. Okay. This is a go. Oh, I love it. I really like this. The only thing, I just wish that the seam on the side of here, it's like a seam that's going down. It does cut into the actual handle. I do wish this was one solid piece without that seam there. But that's not bothering me much. It's not bothering me at all. It's just a preference. As if I designed it, that's just how I would prefer. But the inside is lined. I'm gonna try to put, yeah, I could pick it up so I could show y'all. Really cute. I can't tell if this is blurry or not because my eyes are blurry. Y'all know I can't see. Okay, so what I do know is that the Jodie bag is 11 inches, so almost about 9. So this definitely isn't given the teen. This is more so the mini. Yeah, really, really nice. The knot is nice and neat. This is so cute. I love this. It doesn't have a smell. This is a dupe. Okay, so it's not supposed to be just spot on. It is supposed to have its own differences to separate it from being a knockoff. You know what I mean? So, yeah, this is just an inspired piece. So it's not going to be designed just to the T. But this is so cute. I love it. I'm going to see if my phone fit. I have the Samsung. Is this blurry? Child, this one I need my glasses on. Hold on. I can't tell if y'all are straight or not. So I have the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Okay, so it's a big phone. So I'm gonna put that in here because if it can't fit the phone, this is going to my daughter. It fits perfectly. Yeah, this is definitely giving just essentials only type of bag. I love it. I love this. Let me put it against the body.
Con.
Definitely a hit for me, but y'all let me know if this is a cop or not. Yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.